Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Sanders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with that name. But right before we get tonight, peeps, as always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaica YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it.
Bruh.
I saw them kill Master Splinter and a Ninja Turtle.
Ah, Badger, yeah, Badger. Hold him, Bill. Hold him in the Badger.
Yes, Badger.
Hold him, Badger.
Badger.
We're gonna add our first female to the live.
Black girl, I ain't see shit. RBT.
Whoa.
Damn.
You don't speak?
What y'all doing? Hey, where y'all go? Get back. Saquon ain't do nothing. All he did was rob the gas station. Y'all acting like he robbed Walmart or something. Release my nigga. Release my nigga.
She really. Rotted. Me know what them a try though. Them a try get her used to the dog, but she's very afraid of dog. That's the wrong thing them do. You can't do that. You have to start off with one dog and make she tame the dog.
Lights are flashing in the rain. The Caribbean COVID-19 stakes and trophy. As usual, Jamaica up front. They always want to be first in everything. But woohoo! Trinidad and Tobago, they've taken the lead with a carnival cruise despite the cussings of their health minister, Stuart Young. Barbados, Guyana, Jamaica, they're all tussling for positions in the middle. Dominica, they're way at the back. They have to do much better if they want to get into this contest. But what's this? Jamaica, look at this. Bombo
Bruh.
Tani a diam yard. Una year no gathering na uno tado. A most a black person do that. Knock out the boxer. Oh man. Nigga, you need to go get the right foot, the x-ray. That foot then I broke?
Oh shit. Pass up. Oh shit.
So hold on. When him there train, them never tell him so once you lift and you rest it on your chest, you can know if you can lift it yes or no based on how it feel when you reach right here, so you know. Take up when you can manage to backside. Wagwan peeps. Hope you guys enjoy those little videos and thing. There's some random short videos and so. Comment down below and let me know what you think about everything. So much things to say. And thing. But thank you very much for watching, peeps. And just go on journey with your boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.